Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So I personally just finished this machine. It's a 5-cent packaged gum vending machine, which is really cool. I'm always looking for packaged gum machines because there's a lot of tab gum machines around with the little tab, but you can't really find the gum, and if you do, it's old because they don't make it anymore. But these pack stick gum vending machines are really cool. Once again, I'm always looking for them. I found this one. I've always admired this style of a machine. I've only seen a couple of them. I'm trying to buy another one, but they seem to be very expensive. This was made by the Automatic Canteen Machine Company out of Chicago, Illinois. I'm putting this in the 50s. I cannot find it in any book, so I'm thinking it's probably late 50s, maybe early 60s, maybe even in the mid 40s, but I'm around 1950. I went through the whole thing, shined up. This is all stainless steel. It's all been shined up. We painted it. It looks great, and it works nice. Really quite simple. Boom. We got our spearmint. Boom. We got our juicy fruit. And the beauty of this is you can still find product, okay? Got our devil mint. And then what I did is I put Big Red in here because it vends these very nicely. As you see, it's been completely gone through. You'll see in the stills the interior of the machine. Now this machine was primarily made to hang on the wall, okay? And as you see, it's got nice mounting holes here to hang it on the wall. There's a hinged bottom, so I put felt pads on it to stabilize it so it can just sit on a counter. It's nice and stable. You can sit it just on a counter or hang it on the wall. Everything has gone through, and as you see, it works very nice. Love the 4 packs of gum here. It's got nice graphics. It's really a super nice machine. So if you want a really nice pack gum vending machine, this should be yours. And remember, if you buy it before noon, we'll get it out same day. And we're always doing restorations if you have something around the country. We're bringing in, actually, from Florida right now, a guy's sending in a set of full safe doors to go in a multi-million-dollar house. We're going to restore it for him. They're just sending them in. We're going to take care of it for him. Anyway, so if you got some restoration, let us know, and happy gum buying. Thanks for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.